Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the third level dish rack on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new third level dish rack for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. To begin, open the dishwasher door. Then, fully extend the third level rack. The rack is held in place by an end cap on either track. To remove it, flip the end caps to the open position. Lift up on the front of the rack to clear the first set of wheels. Then, pull the rack forward until the second set of wheels align with the opening and lift it up and out to remove. If you need to purchase a new third level dish rack shelf, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, extend both tracks, align the rack's rear set of wheels to the openings in the tracks and set the wheels in place. Then, slide the rack back, align and insert the second set of wheels. Now, flip the end caps into the closed position, push the rack back into the dishwasher, and close the door. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.